Let me guess. Every few months, you change programs. New split, new template, new science-based routine, new influencer workout. For 2 weeks that you're motivated. Then progress slows down, and you start searching again. Another program, another restart, another this one will be different. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The problem isn't the program, it's that you don't understand why it works. So, you're always copying, never building, and when you rely on copying, you're always dependent. In this video, I'm going to show you something better. Not a routine, not a template, but a skill. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design your own workout program for your body, your schedule, and your goals. So you'll never need to search best workout plan again. Programs don't fail because they're bad. They fail because they're not built for you. Most routines are designed for different schedules, different recovery, different experience levels, different genetics. Yet people copy them exactly. Same exercises, same volume, same frequency. But your body isn't theirs, so results don't match. Good training isn't about finding the perfect plan. It's about understanding principles so you can adapt any plan. Before writing a single exercise, you need clarity. Because different goals require different structures. Strength, hypertrophy, fat loss, athletic performance, general health. You can't optimize everything at once. Trying to do that leads to mediocre progress everywhere. So decide, what matters most for the next 3 to 6 months? That decision alone simplifies everything. Your program must fit your life, not the other way around. If you can train, 3 days to full body, 4 days to upper/lower 5 to 6 days to push/pull/legs or variations. The best split isn't magical. It's the one you can repeat every week without stress. Consistency beats perfection, always. This is where people overcomplicate everything. You don't need 40 exercises, you need categories. Each muscle needs one main compound, one secondary movement, maybe one isolation. That's it. For example, chest, press incline or variation, fly or isolation. Simple, the goal isn't novelty, it's progression. The best exercises are the ones you can load safely, feel clearly, repeat for years. Boring works. Now we assign work. Start simple. Per muscle per week, 10 to 16 quality sets. Per exercise, 2 to 4 hard sets. Rep ranges, 5 to 10 for compounds. 8 to 15 for accessories, 10 to 20 for isolations. Nothing fancy. You don't need muscle confusion. You need enough quality work to send a clear signal. Remember, more volume doesn't mean more growth. Recoverable volume does. This is where growth actually happens. If sets are too easy, nothing happens. Most sets should finish with 1 to 2 reps in reserve. Sometimes closer, not every set to failure, but close enough to force adaptation. Effort builds muscle, not just showing up. Program without progression is just exercise. You need a plan to improve. Simple options. Add reps each week, then add weight, or add small weight jumps, or improve technique. Tiny improvements compound massively. If nothing improves, nothing changes. Track everything. Progress is measurable. This is where most people mess up. They feel stuck and restart everything. New split, new exercises, new plan. Instead, adjust one variable. Too tired? Reduce volume. Not progressing? Add intensity. Schedule busy? Reduce days. Small tweaks greater than complete resets. Long-term lifters refine. They don't constantly rebuild. Designing your own program isn't complicated, it's just logical. Pick a goal, pick a schedule, choose exercises, assign volume, train hard, progress slowly. That's it. Once you understand this, you're free. No more copying, no more guessing. Just confident, intelligent training. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments. How many days per week do you train right now?